Let's do a full face with products that I've never tried before. Trying the Makeup by Mario contour stick. Gonna contour the lips, cheeks, jawbone, and forehead. I'm gonna use my regular foundation though, so we can really put the contour stick to the test. Okay, while we let that stick to the skin so it doesn't wipe off with a wet beauty blender, I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Ta brow wax and the Patrick Ta spoolie. I do my brows next. I feel like I'm not using this brow wax right. Wow, I'm dumb. You're supposed to use setting spray and squirt it on the wax and then use it. So I'm gonna take the Patrick Ta Dewy Milk Mist and spray it on the wax, just like this. Oh my god, I just sprayed it in my mouth. Okay, let's fluff up the brows now. Ooh, I like that. Let's see how this wears though. Also, this is the tinted brow wax, so I could just not even go in with a brow pencil at all. So I just outlined my brows with concealer, and I'm definitely going to use the brow wax when I'm doing a quick natural look because it gives the hairs a color already, and then you don't have to take time to fill them in. So love that. So I just outlined the brows with concealer, and I'm definitely going to use that tinted brow wax when I'm doing a quick natural look because then you don't have to go in with brow pencil and take time to fill them in. Okay, now I'm going to try out this Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. It's full of pinks, which is my absolute favorite color of eyeshadow. I already swatched it, as you can tell, but let's take this light pink shade and put it in the crease. Okay, so just buffing that in the crease. So I would say the shadow was super pigmented and it was so easy to blend. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this darker shade and put it in the outer V. I just stuck my freaking nail in it. Well, that's sad. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it down lower than that pink shade and then sweep it across. Okay, I'm gonna take this shimmer shade and then pack it on the front of my eyelid. So I used my finger to apply the eyeshadow, but then I went in with this pointy brush to get in the inner corners because my nails were getting in the way. I really like the shimmer shade. It's really subtle, but so glowy and pretty. So the crease colors were super blendable, so easy to blend out. I think this palette would be so good to take like on vacation, especially with the pink shades. You know, I love pink, but I don't know how much this is. And if it's super expensive, I wouldn't recommend it just because I feel like with eyeshadow, you can get cheaper alternatives. But I really did like how the shadows blended out. So if you have the money, go for it, baby. Because they really were so easy to blend out. Okay, I did my lashes. Now I'm going to try out the Sigma Beauty Sponge. And this is what it looks like. Differently shaped. Applying foundation, go to part 2.